Great to be here once again, especially on the. Harto tukunan nang kasir tutu bumbu bloody fool.
April the Fool. If April the Fool was a person,
Iya.
it would be Adi.
Eleanor.
It would be Adi.
I want to ask a question.
Yeah.
What?
I want to ask a question. Did April the Fool is
Whatever
okay
they
to
say,
be celebrated?
whatever they say goes.
Huh?
Whatever they say goes. Sending morning vibes. Good morning to everyone, each and everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. That are boarding the bus to go to school. All the students, some are on their way
Yeah.
to watch the Triple N Zone
Right.
kickstart today. Yeah.
Dina.
Right, and also to the hardworking parents
Yeah.
that are on their way to work. A very good morning to everyone, and hope that we will greet this month with a happy heart.
Which bird is the noisiest to you?
Minor bird.
You the Messi?
Na bird say body.
Bird.
Birdie and the bird, the Messi, is the very same thing. Oh, is it different?
Na body bata kay nayango bata kay namono mo rototo bata.
Oh, hirong nga sing body. Yung makakaits nga body.
Nalaban na taro.
Dan vorong po non the joculator.
Right.
Joculator and the baby marutake.
Right.
So the Messi is our joculator this morning.
Right.
Please, the Messi. Okay, once again, the noisiest bird to you.
The noisiest bird in me
Here.
Not in you.
For you.
for me.
Here. Is in you.
It's the hukum.
Ramay na.
Huh?
Ramay na.
Okay, why?
Ramay na. If they fight, they don't care who you are.
Right.
Yeah.
What age group you belong.
Here.
If they want to fight, they want to care about what themselves with the food they eat.
Yeah.
They will. Everything they do it in a noisy form. Like their menace non reto po bakaturanga.
Yeah.
Napakoskosa.
Right.
Oh,
When
yeah.
they eat, they eat. When they sleep,
Yeah.
Their culture.
iyo.
So they make. So
But they
they
sleep
okay.
one
They
by-
make noise. Okay. As gang when we sleep, the only sound that comes out from us
Snoring.
when we is the snoring, the
Right.
kinruan. The maina?
I mean, when they eat,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, when they sleep,
And when they fight. When they
because
fight.
when they fight,
Yeah.
they form that sound because like this. Oira ni baro mo den dotal na mata kay ya. Wuni mango.
What is it kay Kayla?
Iyo. They like that.
Yeah.
It's like their menace
Yeah.
to be taught to be
Maybe they're telling the
It's
others.
their nature. It's
Yeah.
their nature.
Maybe
Yeah.
they're telling the others. Okay, time to sleep. Time to sleep.
Sleep. Iya.
Eh?
Yeah.
Come to sleep.
come together.
Right.
Kami ni liboy mbulare kaya masin nanda ke estate manda ke
Okay.
timadwat.
Elisa, excuse me, Demesi. Just sorry for this question.
Come.
I just want to ask you this question so that the listeners can know what's happening. Eh?
Right.
Inside the soba. Eh, the bird soba. The minor
right.
soba.
Right.
Who sleep inside? The mother, father, and the children, or what?
Okay, listen carefully.
Yeah.
Okay.
First of all,
Yeah.
we go to the egg.
Okay.
They produce blue egg.
Right.
Some of them
Right.
produce white egg. Not
Right.
white,
Yeah.
like a brownish dot spot color of egg they have.
But the minor kalamandanga is black and yellow, the legs.
Yeah,
Why is
because-
the egg blue?
Because there's one enzyme
Yeah.
Right.
in the stomach, like a acid,
Right.
that help the blue
Yeah.
to be there. Because the color outside, they won't determine which color inside.
Right.
Because if you see an egg,
Yeah.
there's only two color.
Yeah.
The yellow and the white, the yolk and the white.
Yeah.
But inside that white, there is a layer.
Yeah.
Right.
The layer that differentiate which part they got enough vitamin from A to Z.
Right.
Huh?
Engineer sir, betul tu terung ya?
Right,
Why
right,
is
right,
the
right, right.
minor egg blue?
Right.
Because the minor is brownish
Yeah.
and the yellow feet.
Yeah.
And the big
Right,
yellow.
right.
Iyo.
Every egg in this world, there is only contain two color.
Right.
Iyo.
The yellow and the white. The yolk
Iya.
and the
Yolk. Right.
white.
Right.
Some of them, they got double yellow.
Iya.
Oh.
That means double yolk. Double yolk. See?
Iya.
That's why you
Yolk.
Huh?
New York.
City. That's why you see many bird. They like to live in a proper way of nest
Oh.
Right. Okay.
to
okay.
keep that nature.
Right.
Father, your job, ay kumabakawa,
Yeah. Multiply.
multiply. No,
Yeah.
just give.
Right.
Yeah.
For the mother, he will stay there baka melay baka obi, depending on the days
Yeah.
of the time they want to hatching.
Yeah.
So father will go around
Yeah.
looking for food.
Right.
He will feed the mother,
Provider, eh?
provider.
Yeah.
The mother too will go alone sometime for training herself
Okay.
from whatever they do. They will come for hatching.
Right.
That's why nowadays you see Maina, they don't want to go to the nesting in the tree. They're just coming under the house,
Yeah.
Okay.
on the ceiling, on the
Right,
corner,
right.
any gap of form, because
Yeah.
their prey to their enemies is going around, which is the latui. The latui, the mongoose.
Right.
So hold on. So the Maina nowadays who are housing in the house, don't know how to build a nest.
They build the nest.
Okay.
They build
will
the
em-
nest inside the house.
inside the house.
Right.
Right.
They bring different dry grass and
Right.
everything to keep nature them
Yeah.
where they are, because for them
Yeah.
it's a belief for them.
Right.
Oi.
Yeah. Every time they vasudu,
Yeah.
revalutialoka, one from that family will be growing. Misudu may kain doa mimbula.
Right.
Sometimes some of us, we just go like this, we see birds.
Yeah.
They lay their egg on their nest. We
Right.
come, we take their egg.
Okay. So our babies they drink milk. The Maina babies they drink milk or no?
They never drink milk.
What do they eat? What do minor birds eat?
They eat what the mother gave them.
Okay.
Okay.
If they bring the popo, if they bring the butterfly,
Right.
Yeah.
if they bring
Butterfly?
the butterfly,
Oh,
nambembelalay.
insects, eh?
Yeah.
Right, right,
Yeah.
right.
Crocodile.
If they bring the seeds,
Yeah.
they sometimes they bring the nectar,
Yeah.
the sweetest part of a flower,
Right.
so
To
that
keep their-
they can eat properly.
Right.
They eat the fruits.
Yeah.
They eat different kind, small organism, lizard,
Yeah.
Right.
some
Ngata.
they help the, huh?
Ngata.
Siya nga eh. May imbiungan ka lang tala nest. Yeah, some they bring
Food scraps. Right.
bread like that to help
Yes.
them for
Yeah.
growing.
Okay. Okay. So they must have got the taste bud in them,
Right.
Yeah.
because they eat the different kind of things,
Yes.
from the fruits to
Yes.
the mandrai, the biscuit, the kawaya, even the mbada
Yeah.
and all those things, The banana.
Right.
Yeah.
Have you tried
More.
eating the minor bird?
The more you blanket
Apa?
them,
Already.
the more you blanket them,
Yeah.
Right.
the more the buchina grow.
Okay, last question, last
Okay,
question.
okay,
Tapos
okay.
kita
Iya.
The last question I asked you before. In the nest, who lives in the nest? The father alone, the mother alone, father, mother, and the children.
Then the nest itself is one person, and the children.
Right.
Father, kaya ba kami biya may mo the father kay mo the life man. Aso ba yung mga raw tagingan may balik dito. Kere. Kaya ba kay biya mo the tatapos sa tayo tumak. Kaya ba ko liwaliwang kay punto may laki.
So the Maina, even though they are koskosa,
Yeah.
but he is an intelligent Maina.
Kaya nung may matang ko sa may lahat.
Ano to, may pataka na si puto-puto.
Iya.
Sarayan, rabi sarayan.
Iya, malat ako na rabi bata ka tiko nag-gep. Bisawa ko na bisawa ko na nira nindo nga na intamon-tamon balitira nang ano ni Mode. Kaya ko na namuna nilebu na nga na randa ba.
Kaya.
Balit ako na ni mo siti ko na tago kumay lang.
Ibu kami kan da telebutungan na non buru-buru na mon buka do bir ngona may na kos-kosa da do mode lo sibi na ngona bikat da bi mode ir non rita butungan apa kos-kosa so no e da binika sara merangona merakuti kita lagi so ka ya lega ko nir da ka butungan non jobe ba ta cho dems non bi mamba na bongi se non rakela bi kala baki e rangoni to sumai na mango ritu misena na china ritu misena e so ka ba ya non buru-buru ira Sabi ko nibila ka na nontang ko buru
But we thank them.
Ayo.
Right.
We thank them. They
Iyo.
help us. Era kuta tu na suri ni ka orlay tumbutal kinando na punwa.
Right.
The process of merkania o ter
Iya.
valilay taka.
Iya.
Ningali tumbo ya meron tawin dal ningali. Akan rekin na wilit. Sa kila era bebo ke in racing what we need in life.
Right.
Ira ko
Yan is
talaga
their
na
function, eh?
Ira ko talaga na suri ni mango.
Kaya
Di
kaya
bago,
ito naman
eh.
nataran sa limang ko. Tiga matay talaga ng resudo, uti talaga kakan mito mo lang doon resin. Kaya na resin doon na yan bak. Iyo. Araw nga naduro, nalisumay siya. Kaya ngayon doon, kaya nakamarami, nalisumay. Iyo, may nangko, rin doon may panday pa. Hey!
Ano siguro daw ya, nagwaliw siya na.
Eh, bebe mundo, yan binaka, yan binaka.
Kaya namatay talaga ni mo yung namin
Sila ka
kareba.
ni-
Iya, tinakan ni si Sabi ko may matanggo. Do yan binaka.
Para magkala mo gori. Iya.
Kaya namatay talaga ni May na, nung daburo-buro may kareba ka bunuhay.
Eh, pinamalim sa rabito ka na matang di korongan na like, heart ba di kira nung siya. O di binaka na po ni Triple N, o di binaka na po ni Madhuata Zone 2, na Singatoka Zone,
Right.
o te kay na...
Natakotigilawang, kay?
Doon ba binaka? Na vision kaya di ba durian na siguro na di kwa. Di kalungan ako kurmun.